Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can create beautiful presentations, documents, web pages, and social media content in seconds with AI. Today, we'll explore how to generate stunning social media posts from a PowerPoint presentation. Let's dive into it. Getting started. From the Gamma dashboard, click Create New with AI. You can bring your ideas to life with Gamma in 3 main ways. Generating with AI. Create social content using just a prompt. Pasting in text. Convert plain text into social content. Importing files or URLs. Turn any file into social content. For this tutorial, let's use the Import a File or URLs option to create a carousel post that works perfectly across platforms, based on an imported PowerPoint presentation. Drafting your content. Gamma automatically generates an outline for your social media content based on your PowerPoint. It's flexible, allowing you to add, modify, or remove sections to fit your vision. You can also choose from different aspect ratios, specifically designed for social platforms. Select Square for standard social media posts. Choose Portrait for LinkedIn and Instagram carousels. Pick Stories for Instagram and TikTok stories. To make your presentation look professional, Gamma can enhance it with images. You can source them from the internet, upload your own, or get creative by generating illustrations with AI. Advanced mode. The advanced mode offers granular control over how to create your social content. Here in the prompt editor, you can opt for free form to let AI distribute the content, or card by card for manual control over each section. You can also refine your content's audience, tone, language, and adjust other formatting parameters. Once your outline is ready, click Continue. Selecting a theme. Make your social content stand out with just one click by choosing from a wide range of professionally designed themes that make your post shine. If you want to stay on brand, you can create and apply a custom theme using your colors, fonts, and logo. Watch our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Once you select a theme, click Generate and watch as your PowerPoint transforms into polished, visually engaging social content ready to post. Editing with AI. Gamma handles all the heavy lifting by generating and designing your entire social media post for you. You can then customize it by adding elements like images and smart layouts. You can make edits almost as fast as you think by using the AI assistant. Simply click the Edit with AI button and specify the changes you need. Or let Gamma suggest the best layouts to showcase your content. You can tweak the design, update text, swap visuals, and even keep expanding your post. To learn more about editing with AI, check out our dedicated video. Think it, make it, truly that easy. Sharing and exporting. When your Gamma is ready, you can share it via multiple options. Present it to your team directly from Gamma with interactive features and presenter notes. Share via link so anyone can view your content, even without a Gamma account. Export in various formats: PDF for universal distribution, PowerPoint or Google Slides, PNG images for social media, and even post it directly to LinkedIn without leaving Gamma. You can customize which specific cards you want to export or share. To learn more about sharing and publishing, check out our dedicated tutorial. Gamma transforms any idea, even a PowerPoint deck, into beautiful, engaging social media content in a flash. Perfect for creating carousel posts for LinkedIn, stunning stories for Instagram, and attention-grabbing content for any platform. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas out there. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and tips.